Continental plateau, an elevated land part due to geological movement or cooling down of magma on a big highland creates continental plateau. Lavaic Highland Plateau of Maharashtra in India, Plateau of Brazil, Plateau of Urbistan, Spain, Greenland, and Antarctica are the examples of continental plateau. Students, a land area which is suddenly uplifted due to tectonic movements is called a continental plateau. Sometimes the lava strata condenses at a higher region and forms a continental plateau. Example, the Plateau of Urbistan, which is in Arabia. Importance of plateaus. The lavaic soil of plateau is fertile and it is very favorable for cotton crop. Precious minerals like iron, manganese and gold are found from the ancient solid rocks of the plateaus. For example, Chota Nagpur Plateau of India. Slopes of this plateau are very important for cattle rearing and also useful for tourism and film industry. Students, plateaus are important in many ways. For example, cotton grows best in the plateau formed by the fertile black lava soil. Precious minerals like iron, manganese, gold, etc. are obtained from the ancient solid rocks of the plateaus. Example, many precious minerals are obtained from Chota Nagpur Plateau of India. Slopy grasslands of the plateau are suitable for cattle rearing. Some plateaus are very favorable for tourism and film industries. Let us know. Plateau has formed almost in the center of Saurashtra in Gujarat. Plain, level land or flat land at the height of less than 180 meters above the sea level is known as plain. Most of plains in the world are formed by the alluvial soil deposited by the rivers. Apart from the rivers, some of the plains are also formed by wind, volcano and glaciers. Classification of plains. On the basis of construction, plains can be classified as first, coastal plain, second, erosional plain, third, depositional plain. Students, the flat land with less than 180 meters height from sea level is known as a plain. Most of the plains of the world are formed by the alluvium soil deposited by rivers. Besides, some plains are also formed by wind, volcano, and glaciers. Students, now we will study about the type of plains. First one is coastal plain, which is also known as structural plain. Such plains are mainly formed near the seashore. When the end of the continental part of land near seashore is uplifted due to the geological movement, these plains are formed. Such plains are known as structural plains. This type of plains are often found in the coastal region. Plains suited in the southeastern part of United States of America spreads up to the Gulf of Mexico. It is an example of coastal plain. Erosion which occurs in the bottom of land creates such plains. Plain in the center of Australia is formed in the same manner. Students, when the continental shelf near the seacoast is uplifted due to tectonic movements of the earth, the resultant landform is called structural plain or coastal plain. Example, the plain formed near the Gulf of Mexico. Erosional plain. Process of erosion goes on continuously on the surface of the earth over the long run of time. Such plains are formed due to the erosion, which occurs in the mountains and plateaus because of natural factors like river, wind, and glaciers. This type of plain are not completely flat, but they are seen between hills of solid rocks. Plains of Canada and western Siberia are formed because of erosion. Plains built by erosion are also called peneplain. Students, the plain which is formed due to the factors of erosional work of mountains, plateaus, rivers, wind, glaciers, etc. is called erosional plain. Such plain is not completely flat. For example, the plain of western Siberia. Depositional plain. This type of plain is formed because of alluvium deposited by rivers, glaciers, wind, etc. in lakes or seas. Such plains are called depositional plain and also called riverine plain. River plains of Ganga Yamuna in India, Huanghe plain in North China, Lombardy plain formed by Po river in Italy are the unique examples of alluvial plains. When plains are formed with the deposition of alluvial in the lakes, then they are called lake fields. Kashmiri Valley is an example of lake field in India. Students, the river, glacier, and wind transport alluvium from one place to another, and it is deposited in the lower regions of a lake or a sea. The plain thus formed is called depositional plain. Such plain is also known as the riverine plain or alluvial plain. Example, the Ganga Yamuna plain in India. Students, if you like my videos, do subscribe channel Asma Madhya. Click on the bell icon for the latest videos. Like the videos, share the videos, and do comment on all the videos.